Good morning children. Today we are going to start with our new chapter in English workbook. So let us all take our English workbook and let's see the first story. So here the topic is Eat Healthy, Be Happy, and this is a linked lesson of Reggie Mouse Shrinking Clothes. Now this is a short story about a boy named Rohan. Rohan went to stay with his grandmother during his holiday, and he was excited as he could see the farm and many new things. Rohan's grandmother always cooked very tasty foods for him. So one day, what happens? One day they both sat together to have their lunch. So suddenly Rohan thinks to ask a question to his grandma. Grandma, can you tell me how this roti is made and which powder is used? And from where do we get this powder? So grandma smiled and told Rohan, Rohan, you finish your lunch. After that, I will take you to the farm and you will get all your answer. Okay. So what happens? The same day after the lunch, grandma and Rohan went to the farm. So grandma says to Rohan, Rohan, can you see these are wheat fields? And do you see those grains? I grind these grains in the mill and we get wheat flour. And I use these flour to make rotis, cakes and many other yummy foods for you. So Rohan asks grandmother, are there more farms to see, grandma? Then grandma says, okay, let us go to the vegetable farm. So she takes Rohan to the vegetable farm. There she shows Rohan that, can you see, the carrots and potatoes are grown here. And also you can see the red juicy tomatoes. Can you? That's interesting. Rohan replies. So after that they go to the poultry farm. What happens there? They see, Rohan sees what? Rohan sees chickens and a basket of eggs, as well as he sees cows there. So what the grandma says? Grandma says, we get milk from cows. And do you know the butter, cheese and milkshakes, ice creams, all are made of cow's milk. So it is always good to have a fruits, vegetables, grains because it will make us healthy. So these are the healthy food. So the grandma says this to Rohan, and Rohan says, Grandma, can we come back here again? And she smiles and says to Rohan, sure, we will be coming again to see. So after that, Rohan happily goes back to home. So now this is linked to the story in the reader, right? Reggie Mouse Shrinking Clothes. There we learned that to be healthy, we have to eat fruits, vegetables, grains, right, to stay healthy, as well as we need to do exercise and play outdoor games. Likewise, here also the grandma suggests Rohan to have healthy foods, right? The same, fruits, vegetables, grains. Likewise, we also should have a healthy food always to be healthy. Okay. So from this we are ending this story. Now let's see the next exercise. Answer these questions. Okay. So let's see the first question. What does grandmother do with the grains of wheat? Grandma grinds these grains in the mill and gets wheat flour. Second question, name 3 things which are made from wheat. So what are the 3 things? We can make rotis, cakes and other yummy foods, right? Let's see the third question. Name the vegetables which grow in the vegetable farm. As we saw that Rohan, what and all he saw in the vegetable farm? Carrots, potatoes and red juicy tomatoes grow in the vegetable farm. What things are made from milk? Curd, butter, ghee, ice cream and milkshakes are made from milk. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next page, page number 5. Part A, choose sound words from the box and fill in the blanks. So, you have given a few options. So, let us read the first sentence. The little birds were dash. So, you have to choose the correct option. So, you can try by yourself. So, let us see the next one. He finished the milk and dash his lips. The pigeons were dash in the balcony. Let us see the fourth one. The rain dash on the tin roof. Fifth one, the cat dash with happiness. Sixth one, the omelette dash in the frying pan. If you have not finished it, kindly pause the video and you can finish it now. We will discuss the answer once you come back. So, I hope children you were able to find the correct answers. Let us discuss. The first answer, little birds were chirping. Okay. Second one, he finished the milk and smacked his lips. The pigeons were cooing in the balcony. The rain pattered on the tin roof. And the cat purred with happiness. The omelette sizzled in the frying pan. So, I hope you all got the answer. If it was wrong, then you might have corrected it, right? So, now let us move on to the next exercise B. Look at these words and put them in the correct columns. So, here few words are given. So, we have two columns for healthy as well as unhealthy. And I believe it is very easy to find which is healthy food and which is unhealthy, right? So, you can do one thing children, you can pause the video and you can write the words whichever comes under healthy and whatever comes under unhealthy, and you can come back. I hope you have noted and you have written it. So, let us discuss. Healthy, we have salad, cheese sandwich, almonds, fruits and omelette. Hope you all got it. Now, let us see the unhealthy food. Chips, noodles, cool drinks, burger, cream roll, pizza and donut. Okay. Now, let us move on to the next exercise. Let us all take page number 6. So, it is a grammar part. Here again we are coming across the common nouns and proper nouns. So, what do we need to do? Let us look into the reader. We have to underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns from the below sentences. I know it is very simple, but still you can do one thing, you can pause the video, you can try doing it. If you want, let me do the first sentence for you. The river Ganga flows through Haridwar. So, here children, can you find which is the proper noun? Proper noun we can find here is the name of the river Ganga. So, we have to underline Ganga, and the common nouns what and all we can see here, as well as we can see the proper noun as Haridwar, the name of a place. Now, the common noun in this is river. So, you have to circle the word river. Okay. So, likewise you can do the next 5 and we will discuss the answer. So, you can pause the video and do it. So, I hope children you have completed it, but let us discuss. Okay. The second one, our cousins Seema and Rohit have moved to Mumbai. So here in this sentence, what are the common nouns and proper nouns? Our cousins. Cousins are a common noun. Seema is a proper noun. Rohit is a proper noun. And Mumbai is again a proper noun. So we have to underline the proper noun and we have to circle the common noun. So cousins you can circle, Seema, Rohit and Mumbai you can underline. Okay. Now let us see the third one. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. So here again the common noun is capital and proper nouns are Japan and Tokyo. Let us see the fourth one. Do you know my friend Sudeep? So here the common noun is friend and Sudeepa is a proper noun. Fifth one, Sohan has a pet dog named Tuffy. So the common noun is dog and proper nouns are Sohan, Tuffy. Sixth one, there is a large rainforest in South America. So here, which is the proper noun? South America and common noun is rainforest. So hope you all have done it. Let's move on to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns from the box. Here we have few options in the box. So we have to fill the blanks using the correct collective nouns as we have already learned it. So now let me read the first sentence. The hunters were attacked by a dash of lions. So I hope you are able to find the answer. It's very easy. The hunters were attacked by a pride of lions. Let's see the next one. A dash of stairs led to the rooftop. So you can find the answer. Okay. A flight of stairs led to the rooftop. Okay. Now let's see the next one, third one. The dash of musicians played very well. So the answer for this would be the band of musicians played very well. The dash of singers sang beautifully. So what we can say here, what collective noun we can use for the singers? The choir of singers sang beautifully. Fifth one, there was a dash of monkeys in the park. So what will be the correct? Troop of monkeys in the park. So kindly note it down, children, don't ignore it, write it right now itself, okay, so that you can get the correct answers at the same time. The sixth one, the dash of sailors waved their families goodbye. So what option you can choose? The crew of sailors waved their families goodbye. Seventh one, he owns the complete dash of Harry Potter's book. So he owns the complete set of. The last answer, mother brought home a dash of puppies she found on the street. A mother brought home a litter of puppies she found on the street. So I hope you are done with this. Now let's move on to the other exercise. It's a listening. Here what you need to do is, children, you can, I'll just read this for you. Here we have to see the names of some food items which I have already given in this on the screen. You can see. You have to write H if the food item is healthy or U if the food item is unhealthy. So we have 6 food items. So you can pause the video, read this carefully, and accordingly you can fill this whether it's a healthy or unhealthy food item. You can write H for healthy, unhealthy, you can write U. So kindly write it, we will discuss the answer. So let us discuss the answer. The first one, idli. Is it a healthy or unhealthy? It's a healthy food. Okay, next one, pizza. Is it a healthy or unhealthy? It's unhealthy. So, we have to write U in the second. Third, cola. Obviously, it's a unhealthy thing. So, you have to write U in the third one. Let's see the fourth one, burger. Again, it's an unhealthy food item. So, write U in the fourth one. Fifth one, vegetable sandwich. It's a healthy food. So, write H in fifth one. And now the last one, rice. Again, it's a healthy food item. So, you can write H in the sixth one. So, hope you have noted down. Now, let's move on to the next one. It's a TH sounds. In each set, circle the words that have the TH sound. So, we need to read these words and we have to circle those words where we can find the TH sound. Okay? So, let's read the first one. Brother, thirst, first. So, here in this first sentence where you can find the TH sound, read it again. Brother, thirst, first. So, here the TH sounds are in brother, word brother as well as word thirst. So, you have to circle brother and thirst. Now, let us see the second one. Think, sink, bathe. So, here again where we can find these TH sounds in think as well as in the word bathe. So, you have to circle bathe and think. Now, third one, throw, breathe, sift. So, where you can find the TH sound? Here in this third one, you can find the TH sound in throw as well as breathe, right? You have to circle both of that. Now, let us see the fourth one. It's flow, birth, smooth. So, it's very easy, right? Flow, we can't find the TH sound. So, birth obviously and smooth also. So, circle those words. Now, the fifth one, snake, either, moth. So, here again either and moth you have to circle both the words, right? Now, sixth one, last one, myth, skate and month. So, where you can find the TH sounds? It's in myth as well as in month. So, you have to circle both the words month and myth. So, we are done with this activity, right? Now, let us move on to the writing part. Here, Shruti visited her uncle who lives in the hills. So, she returned home, wrote this paragraph in her notebook. You have to read a sample paragraph here. You can read this paragraph in detail and you have to imagine you had gone on a day-long outing to an activity center. So, your teacher had taken you and your classmates on this trip. So, you have to write a paragraph on what you all did there. Okay? You can use these hints which are given below. Read this and based on that, using those hints, you have to write a paragraph. Okay? So, do like that, do this as a homework. Fine. So, that's all for today's class. We'll meet up in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.